Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best in beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into the world of luxurious hand care with a product that's truly a fan favorite, L'Occitane Almond Delicious Hands. This hand and nail cream is without a doubt one of the best in its category, bringing together the delightful scent of almonds and powerful moisturization. If you're looking for soft, nourished hands, stay tuned because we're about to unpack everything this incredible product has to offer. First off, L'Occitane is renowned for its premium beauty products, and the Almond Delicious Hands Cream is no exception. Packed with the goodness of almond oil and almond milk, it promises to hydrate your hands for 24 hours without any greasy residue. This makes it perfect for those who want silky smooth hands all day long without constantly having to reapply. One of the standout features of this product is its ultra-nourishing formula. If you have dry or rough hands, this cream is designed to smooth and soften your skin, leaving it feeling hydrated and velvety to the touch. It works wonders on your cuticles too, making it ideal for anyone who wants to keep their nails looking neat and healthy. And let's not forget the scent, it's absolutely irresistible. The almond fragrance is sweet, yet subtle, giving your hands a light and pleasant aroma that lasts, but isn't overpowering. It's the kind of scent that's just comforting, making every application feel like a small self-care ritual. As for the texture, it's silky and creamy, but it melts right into your skin, absorbing quickly. No sticky feeling left behind. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, it provides fast relief for dry hands without interrupting your day. Now, a big question many of us have when picking out a hand cream is how it holds up over time. L'Occitane Almond Delicious Hands offers long-lasting hydration. A single application can keep your hands moisturized for hours, making it perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle who doesn't have the time for constant touch-ups. This hand cream is also a great gift idea. If you know someone who appreciates high-quality skincare, this product would make an excellent addition to their routine. It comes in a sleek, travel-friendly tube, so it's perfect for tossing into a handbag or keeping on your desk for quick use. In terms of value, at 2.6 ounces, it's a great investment considering the quality you're getting. It's available for around $27, which might feel like a splurge, but given its long-lasting effects and luxurious feel, it's definitely worth every penny. So, if you're ready to treat your hands to the nourishment they deserve, L'Occitane Almond Delicious Hands is the product you should try. With its soothing almond scent, rich hydration, and non-greasy formula, it's no wonder this is considered one of the best hand creams out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews of your favorite products.